3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this guide, I will show you how to resolve the issue of not receiving verification text on your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app and toggling airplane mode on. Wait for about 3 to 4 seconds before toggling it off again. Next, check if you've accidentally blocked the sender. Navigate to Messages in your settings, scroll down to Block Contacts, and review the list for any blocked numbers. Unblocking any relevant numbers. Return to the Messages settings and disable Filter Unknown Senders. Ensure MMS messaging and iMessage are both toggled on. As you scroll back up, after completing these steps, go to the main settings menu and select General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then choose Reset and Reset Network Settings. You'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi after this step. If the issue persists, check your signal strength by swiping down on your home screen to view the signal bars in the top left corner. If your signal is weak, 1 bar or less, move to the area with better reception. Once you have ensured strong signal strength, go to your text messages and delete any old verification text from the same sender, as it may interfere with receiving new ones. Return to Settings, navigate to Phone, and verify that the phone number listed under My Number matches the one you're using for verification. Finally, perform a soft reset of your iPhone by holding both the power button and the volume down button simultaneously until the device restarts. Following all these steps should resolve the issue, and you should be able to receive verification text. If you found this guide helpful, consider supporting by liking or subscribing.